All right, guys, who's buying houses right now? Who's in the marketplace? It's the people who missed out on buying a house over the last 2 years. Those looking for down payment assistance, lower FICO FHAs, some of the lower down payment conventionals. But I want to highlight the vets that are out there that couldn't get into a house just a couple of years ago. Now, I know what y'all thinking right now. Tony, why would we buy? Rates are at a high. When are they going to come down? And here's why you want to buy today and not wait till rates are at a floor. Because when rates are at the bottom, investors, they're going to go in and they're going to overpay for properties because they know rates are low and the money's cheap. But what does that mean for your pocketbook? Today on a $600,000 home, if you're a veteran with decent FICOs, you're going to get about a 6% interest rate. So what does that look like with taxes and insurance? You're looking at about a $4,500 mortgage payment. Now that's crazy. Why would you want to pay that? Because 6 months ago, 8 months ago, not only did you have that payment of $3,400, you also were gonna have to pay your closing costs and potentially an extra $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 to the seller because they were in the power position. But here's what you're able to do now. You're able to flex on them and you're gonna ask them to pay for all of your closing costs and then ask for another $20,000 to cover all of your fees and you're getting into a home with zero. Now, if you get $20,000 to pay for your closing costs and you just paid an extra $900 a month for your mortgage, who's gonna win? Well, that depends on how long you get to keep your mortgage. I'm not an expert, but I'm predicting rates drop within a year. So if you make 10 payments and then you're able to refinance, you've only paid $9,000 in interest, but you saved $20,000 up front. That means you won $11,000 in the transaction. But the most important part is today it's gonna be easy for you to get a home with zero out of pocket. So if you wanna learn how to structure this deal or like this content and wanna learn more, go ahead and like, comment, or subscribe.